this is Khushi and we are from Estetica. So today we are having with us Bandhana Sondhi, who is collaborating with the Luca Piatelli Salon, the luxury Italian salon in New Delhi. And Ms. Bandhana have invited some of the prominent ladies from South Delhi to enjoy Luca Piatelli's services. So Ms. Bandhana, what would you like to say about the atmosphere of the salon here?
First of all, I'm really happy to have collaborated with Luca Piatelli and the Indian partners, Mr. Rakesh and Sonal. And of course, Mr. Luca is here himself from Italy, which was amazing to meet them. The space is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's unlike any of the salons in Delhi, and Delhi has a very, very wide variety of salons, a lot of choice, a lot of brands. But I have to say that this space created here is truly exceptional. I mean, the minute you see it from outside, you think of luxury. And when you step in, you don't feel like you come into a salon. You feel like you've, come into some very nice, luxurious lounge to just chill out and, spend time. And of course, they are making you look beautiful. They are experts at the hair care. And I think they're bringing all the Italian trends with hair and haircuts and coloring, which India has never seen, here to Delhi. So, I mean, they've done up my hair today, which I think looks really nice. So, it's definitely worth trying. And the staff is so polite. The rest of the Italian team is here. So, it's actually been a total pleasure to be here.
First of all, I would like to thank Bandhana Sondhi for inviting me here, and it's been a real pleasure and honor to be here today. I love the blow dryer that Luca has given me today, and it's a must visit and amazing services, and really happy that global brands are coming to India. It's a real proud moment for us as Indians.
Hi, I came here for the first time. An amazing place, wonderful staff, such cordial staff. They're so helpful. In fact, I was running short on time and they helped me to get my pedicure done, and I just loved it. Loved the staff, loved the environment and the service. I'm going to come back very soon to the same place.
Yes, I had a foot massage done and I must say it was very impressive, very good. I like the ambience of the place. It's buzzing, it's really nice, it's clean. I love the interiors. I met the owner and it was really a pleasure to be here today. I'll be back soon.
Lovely, and the whole place is looking so beautiful. I love the salon. It's really nice and beautifully done. Neat, clean, everything. So I'm wishing you all the best.
Yeah, I did a hair wash and a dry, and I think they were quick, efficient, smart. I mean, nice. I mean, they did a good job in a few minutes only, so it's good.
I think the service here was amazing. 5 on 5 was brilliant. Luca did such a great job. The other bhaiyas who cut my hair did such a great job. I always had food and drinks coming, so it was an amazing experience.
I think it was quite exhilarating. Everything is so beautifully done up. It's so aesthetically beautiful, and the staff is simply marvelous. I mean, Rajiv did my pedicure and he was just fantastic.
My name is Parul Mahajan and I tried the hair wash and blow dry here. And I just love the services, and I think everybody should come here and try the services at least once, and I think you will keep coming back again.
I thought it was really perfect. They were giving total attention to whatever we wanted to get done, and the products are absolutely par excellence, and of course the services, I really loved them. I had a foot massage and a pedicure done. It was absolutely fabulous. I would recommend everybody to come here.